Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yoggi Rahmono. I'm from Swiss class 4th semester, mm, Department of English Education. Now I'm gonna tell articles review that I have read for weekly thoughts in extensive reading. So the first, teaching how to think about words. Now, by Peter Fisher and Camille Blackowicz from journal Voice from the Middle. This journal is talking about word awareness and how words work, also discussing the concept of metalinguistic awareness. And in Europe, many teachers develop morphological awareness by teaching word part and how they contribute to a word's meaning. After that, we have Taking the Floor, oral presentation IFL Classroom by Ali Said and Reda Al-Kubtan from TESOL Journal. Oral presentation aspect, theoretical and practical aspect, also discussing issues and proposes ideas concerning the advantages of presentation. So, number 3, skill specific rather than general education. A reason for USA-Europe growth difference. This journal discusses about general education or the specific vocational high school. Vocational high school might work well. Next, the effect of syntax, speed, and pause by Alien from University of Puerto Rico. How the syntax, speed, and pause grow in many universities in Puerto Rico, especially in English education. The student comprehension about the syntax is very well out there. Next, second language acquisition research by Numa Marquis. This research potentially play promoting change in teachers' methodological beliefs and practices. And we got a statistical model for words frequency distribution of linguistic evaluation. So 3 models for words frequency distribution: the log normal law, the generalized inverse cause position, and evaluate with respect to goodness, fit, and reasonable. And the next one, discuss about, this is from Japanese. This course talk about how English ideologists able to accept Japanese by Ryuko Kubota. Contain many references and discourse called ideologies of English in Japan. There is Nihonjiron and Kokusaika. Both are two kind of term in Japanese. Nihonjiron means Japanese reaction against westernization, and Kokusai tend to stress teaching and learning Western culture and language, especially American English, to promote the cultural exchange, because Japan is world economic power. And next one is bilingual program for the first time applied in American when school use their own language ratio between white and black American. But now is I'm talking about bilingual program in Indonesia by Teguh Santoso. Bilingual program is application for enriched language for students in school for learning more foreign language, and Indonesia as a multilingual country adopted the program by several schools in capital city and the older city for language development. The article which is written by Teguh Santoso present benefit. Uh, the article that written by Teguh Santoso present the benefit of bilingual education and its application in Indonesia. So next one, references and perspective in intuitionist logics by John Knowles. So all epistemic states thought the latter perspective is no longer strictly intuitionist. Each has difference, and in the last has two cases, novel logic and semantic. Maybe it's enough for me. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.